Hello and welcome to Bharat Sutras. I've come with a fresh new collection of handloom saris. The first one that I'm going to show today is this bright bottle green color. The border of the sari is golden, and this kind of golden and fuchsia meenakari booty has been done all over the body like this. It's a very bright green color sari. This is the achal or the palla, very bright green with golden work done like this, running golden work done. The golden thread, this is thread work, this is not zari, you can see this is thread work, not zari. And this kind of Meena booty has been done all over. This is pink, this one is golden with a pink dot at the center, and the golden border is also running like this. It's a very unique color combination, very lightweight. It comes with a blouse piece. See, all over this kind of work has been done, and the blouse piece is pure running green with the golden border. This is the running green with the golden border. This is the blouse piece, and this is going to be the sari. This is also a cotton handloom sari, very lightweight, very comfortable to wear. It comes with a handloom mark, and the price of the sari is 2390. The price of the sari is 2390. You can also visit our Bharat Sutra website page. You can get this sari and the details of it. It comes with a handloom mark, as you can see. It's a mark of authentication and purity. The next is this sari, which is again a very unique piece. Before opening the sari, I would like to show you something. You can see this is a variation of magenta on half side. This is dark magenta, the other half is light magenta. This half is silk and this half is cotton. So this is half silk and half cotton sari in this bright magenta color. It's like this. It's plain all over. It is plain all over like this. Very lightweight, very comfortable, half cotton and half silk. The blouse piece is from here. You can see a separator has been done. The blouse piece is also this kind of magenta color. The whole sari is like this, half cotton and half silk. The lower skirt will be dark magenta and the upper skirt is going to be light magenta. This is the palla. This is the palla. I will show you how it looks. This is the palla. This is the palla. You can see. This is also, the palla is also a combination of dark magenta and light magenta. Very lightweight sari, absolutely a delightful sari to wear, very comfortable. This is magenta. I'll show you the look. If you give the pleats like this, If you give the pleats like this, it will come. This is the palla. I'll show you the palla again. This is the palla. This comes with a blouse piece. This comes with a blouse piece. This will be the aanchal or the palla. The blouse piece will be a running magenta. It's a very bright color, very elegant color. The price of this sari is 3,100. The price of this sari is 3,100. We ship all over India and shipping is absolutely free of cost. You can also look for this sari in our Bharat Sutra website. The next that I'm going to show you is a pure linen delight. We all are familiar with linen saris and know how comfortable they are and how elegant their look is. First, I'm going to show you the border. The border is this kind of yellow and blue, and the whole body has got two types of colors. The whole body, the linen thread, it's pink and blue threads woven together. Pink and blue threads woven together. It's a single color all over like this. It's a single color all over like this. It will come with a blouse piece of the same color like this. See, this will be the palla. This will be the palla. It's a very elegant piece. It's a very elegant piece. The price of this sari is 2,640. The price of this sari is 2,640. 2640. This has a blouse piece. The blouse piece will be the same running color as that of the sari. This one. This is the blouse piece. This is how the entire look is going to be. It's a pure linen. Very beautiful. The next is also a linen. This is a very bright pink border and a red border. I don't know whether it's coming clear. Yes, now you can see the border is red this side and pink. Double colored, dual colored border. And this is the whole body. Bright blue color. This is very bright blue color. And this is the aanchal. This is the palla. This is how the palla is going to be. This is the bright. This is the body, which is blue, and this is the aanchal or the palla, which is red and blue combination like this. And the same blouse piece is there on the other side. I'll show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This red is the blouse piece. The price of this sari is 2,640. The price of this sari is 2,640. Just see. The matching is excellent. Pure linen. You can also get these saris in our website. I'll provide the link of the website. It is www.bharatsutras.com. Please do give a visit and select your sari which is of your liking, which is of your love. We'll be there to serve you from Bharat Sutras, and we'll be bringing you more exciting sari collection for you to choose. Thank you for being with Bharat Sutra, and choose Bharat Sutra saris for all your daily wear and occasion purposes. Thank you so much.